Welcome back. I'm the Watch King. On this video, we are unboxing an Omega Moonswatch. I bought the Bullet. I actually bought this watch. I'll tell you the whole story, but let's first jump into the unboxing. First things first, before we get into the actual unboxing, it came in this bag. It's the same orange colors, well, a little bit different, but they're both orange from the watch. So I don't know if it comes with a special bag. These type of watches, I'm not entirely sure. This is my first Moonswatch I've owned personally. I've had friends and people even not into watches as much as us here on the YouTube channel, but they also buy Moonswatches. So I saw it and I was like, okay. I walked into the store. I didn't think they would have anything crazy because I bought this in duty free, and we'll get to that in a second. But let's first talk about price point and what they gave me here. So this is the this is what they give you, right? So there's a few different receipts. There's one duty free. This is the actual price itself. So the price is the price. So on the sign it said 226. It's 225.41 euros. So this is all in European money. The euro is the big currency, as you can see right there. In Europe, it's in most of the countries except for, of course, Britain. But this comes out to exactly the day of buying this watch. This comes out to about 252 and 5 cents US. I mean, yeah, so 250 US is basically 225 in euros. So we're going to talk about value and a bunch of other stuff in the actual review, but we're going to get first impressions, what this watch is like, everything with it. So you just get this little swatch thing and of course the bag, nothing else, no other booklets or accessories with this watch so far. I mean, I haven't opened it. I know at the store they opened it to look to see if the watch was in there. I do know what I bought because the watch, there was a display model, so I looked at it. So a little sleeve comes out here. The box doesn't feel like anything of quality at all. Of course, this is a watch that is under the $1,000 mark, well under. It's a quarter of that. So I would rather not them spend the money on the box and just put the money in the watch, right? So let's see what we got here. So we have this box here, opening it up. Here we go. So they call it bioceramic, which is basically plastic there. So this is the booklet here, pulling it out. This is the booklet for this watch, the Mission to Earth. You can pause this and read this. I'm not going to read through every one here. So this is basically explaining the watch. There's 3 models here. This one is this one here, and then these are, I guess these 3 came out recently. I don't follow every single one, but yeah, so this is the first time looking at this booklet. Your standard booklet, nothing crazy about it, right? Everything's pretty much standard with a $200 watch, right? You don't expect anything crazy. I would say comparable to something like a Seiko around this price point, right? So here there's basically just shows, oh, this probably shows every one in here. Not gonna open that. Well, I guess I could. Just shows every Moonswatch. Okay, kind of cool. Not gonna go through all that. That's not the coolest part. We'll get to the watch here. And probably an instruction manual. This is pretty thick. Probably opens up in different languages. So, all right. So, okay, that's, oh, don't want to show the serial number. But I guess it was sent here the 25th of September 24. So yeah, that's basically, I think that's the day I bought the watch. So the day it's sent in is the day I bought it. Let's pull it out here. Plastic basically on the inside, paper, cardboard type of feeling here. So there you go. All right. So, okay, first impressions, standard, nothing crazy. It's like a cardboard type of paper kind of box. The booklet's informative from what I've seen. It's kind of cool where it shows where it's stamped there. I don't I didn't see them stamp it. Oh, well, we'll leave it there for now. It's not a big deal. Well, it's fine. We'll put this to the side. Get into the actual watch itself. So this is 100% first impressions here. Holding it in the hand, I don't know. The color matches my hair, and I thought it was kind of funny because I wear my shirts in all my videos. Let me know if you want that merch too. We can work on it. All right, so here's the back of the watch. Okay. The mission to Earth, the actual logo of the Earth is really neat. I think that's something cool. I saw that on another piece. As I said, I don't know every single Moonswatch, but this one is something really, I thought a really unique color. So let's try it on. This is the first time ever trying on a Moonswatch that I bought. So let's take a look here. Oh, don't want to drop it. But as you can see, this thing is brand new. It's absolutely brand new. First impressions, this Velcro strap, I mean, it's not that good. Yeah, this is not a great strap. I can tell right away. Wow, okay. Cool stitching. I like the mission to Earth and then the S all in yellow. I like those subtle, orange. The stitching is nice and orange. The nice contrast with the white. The dial itself is kind of cool with the orange accents. Actually, you can actually see a little plastic. Okay, let's get in for this peel. This is, as you can see, literally brand new. So I'm exploring this watch with you guys. All right, so as you can see, there's that. The watch itself, I think it's a great watch from first impressions. I mean, we'll get into price point and everything in the review and value, but it is kind of cool to have a Speedmaster, right? I've owned the real ones in my business. I've had them in stock. I've worn them. This is a unique type of feeling. It's very, very light. So, yeah, this is first time impression. And I like it way more than I thought I would. So that goes to show you. But stick around. I'm going to wear it for about a week, and then I'm going to do an actual review. And there are things that I know about this watch before I even bought it, but I bought it for you guys. I bought it for a review, and it also is a really neat color. I do like the color. The orange is something interesting. You don't see many watches in orange. So that is the main reason I bought this. So I want to thank you all for watching. Let me know your opinions on Swatch. Why are they releasing all these new ones? I didn't even know this was a new one until after I bought it, and I looked it up. And apparently this is a newer type of model. So I'll have to do a little more research, and then we're going to do a full review. So I want to thank you all for watching. If you like this type of content, please hit the like button, subscribe. It actually helps me a lot to keep funding these type of reviews, buying different types of watches such as this, right? Because this is something I would never deal with in my business side. This is something I would do for YouTube. So let me know if you like this type of content. And do you own a Moonswatch? Are you planning to ever own a Moonswatch? I want to know everything down below. So thank you and have a great day.